Did you know that during the Biafran War, the Igbo people were fought against, killed our children, took away our things, rendered us with nothing, and we started from scratch, and we are where we are today. This is the reason we are being jealous. This is the reason they have not let us to stay. Because what? God has not. There is no country you go that you see not see an Igbo person. Any country you visit and you do not see an Igbo person, I would advise you personally to leave that country. Because the Igbo people, the Igbo men, they have the foresight to see a country that is fruitful, a country that the gold is in. They have this foresight to see. You see, Igbo people are very industrious, they're very handy. Anything we touch are blessed. Any market we go to, we sell.